Hey guys, we're going to do a crash course for Thursday, DMR number 31. I'm going to go super fast. Hopefully you've already done it. I'm just a little behind, so please forgive me. So number one says, what are the prime factors of 56? I listed all the factors, which are numbers that multiply together to get me 56, and then I highlighted the prime ones because 2 and 7 are prime. If you cannot remember your factors, Google them, find your factors. If you have your multiplication chart, you can also find factors, and if you have a calculator, you can also find factors by using division. So you could do 56 divided by 2 and it'll give you 28. 56 divided by 3, you'll get a decimal, so move on, and so forth, okay? Number 2, we are picking an equation that matches this scenario. Sue made 138 cupcakes. She eats 14 of them, and then she splits them between 8 of her friends. So A is the best choice because she has 138, and then she eats some, so that's subtraction. And then it says she splits them with 8 of her friends, so then we divide. So A is your best choice. Number 3 is Jack runs 28 miles a week, and Pete runs 5 times as much as Jack. How much do they run all together? So I set it up with Jack plus Pete. So Jack runs 28, Pete runs 5 times Jack. So on the calculator, I figured 5 times Jack, which was 140. And then I added them all together. Okay, it's easy to choose B, but you have to add Jack back in. So Pete plus Jack. Here they are. I got 168. Okay, and then for number 4, I haven't quite solved it yet, but it says compare the numbers below. So 7/10, I wrote it as a decimal, 0.7. And then I put a 0 in the hundredths place so that I could easily compare. Okay, remember putting a 0 there doesn't change the value. I could put another 0 here if I wanted to, and I could put a 0 here if I wanted to. Okay, and then I could look at it as 700 or 710. Which one's bigger? 710 is bigger, so I'm going to put the alligator eating the bigger one. Mouth opens to larger. Okay? And then very last one, super quick, it says, what is 453 and 89 thousandths rounded to the hundredths place? So I highlighted the hundredths place. I drew an arrow to the neighbor, so the neighbor's going to tell me whether to either stay an 8 or bump up. The 9 is my neighbor, so 9, 5 or more, raise the score. So I need to raise the score of the highlighted number. So everything else stays the same, but I change the 8 to a 9. And if you want, I've also seen people put a 0 in the place behind it. That's fine. Again, doesn't change the value. 0 is just a placeholder. Hope that helps, okay, guys? Love you.